Hi everybody, it's Paula from Paula's Primary Classroom. If you have a primary classroom, especially if you do childcare in your home, which I did for 15 years, there may be times when you want to communicate to your significant other that they're being a little bit rotten and ugly. So it's hard sometimes to do these things in a child-appropriate way. So my husband and I came up with a system. There was a day when I felt the need to flip him the bird, but obviously that was not going to happen in front of the kids. So I looked at him and I said, I have a little birdie for you. Tweet, 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 tweet. And after that, anytime that I felt the need to communicate that, I would just say tweet, 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 tweet. My kids were, I think, 18 and 15 before we told them what it was, and they were like, Mom, is that what you were saying all these years? They had no clue. So it does work. If you feel the need, give it a try. Have a great day. Bye.